To get rid of side effects and focus on your code instead of testing third-party code, there are two main approaches, you could say. You can use spies and mocks. And I will say right away that theoretically there also are stubs and fakes, and attached you find a link to a discussion on Stack Overflow where you can learn more about the nuances and differences between those different things. But to be honest, I'm not too much into such discussions, and I found that the differentiation between spies and mocks is all you need. Because I will show you the key approaches you have with VTest or Jest or other testing libraries when it comes to getting rid of side effects and testing your code. So what are these things then? Spies are, in the end, wrappers around your functions or empty replacement functions for functions where you're only interested in learning whether the function was called and maybe which arguments it's received. So you can use spies if you don't care about what a function does, but you just want to know whether it was executed, for example. And then you can either wrap the original function with such a spy object, or you replace the function. And the latter case is more common, I would say, because that then also allows you to get rid of a side effect if you replace a function. Now, mocks are also about replacement. There, you also replace functions, but with mocks, you often replace bigger parts of an API, of a certain module or code. And with mocks, you also often implement some test-specific logic in the replacement function that does something else than the original function, but helps you test different scenarios. And in case that's not entirely clear yet, that's totally fine. Now we're going to see these different approaches in action.